Hello everyone, my name is Jenny and I will be presenting my IT 415 final project on law enforcement officers accidentally killed between 2005 and 2014. So there are many topics I am interested in, but when I was browsing through the data.gov website, this publication on law enforcement officers provided by the Federal Bureau of Investigation caught my attention. I wanted to focus my attention on the officers who died on duty and give them the attention they deserve. I'm interested in looking at the trends and see how many were accidentally killed. The data used for the project are gathered from the annual publication provided by the FBI and data.gov. So the trends that I was looking at are month, location, race, and time. For my tool, I chose Tableau Public to create my interactive visualizations. This tool offers multiple visualizations for the same data set, and I can drag and drop different variables and constraints to create a different interpretation of data within minutes. I also like the interactive feature, and I can embed all my work onto the Mason website or the Mason server. Let me show you what I created. So this is my home page on my Mason server, and as you can see, I have these links here to my chart and a brief description of the tool I use for the project. So the first chart represents the number of law enforcement officers killed by month between 2005 and 2014. The visualization represents the months with the most number of officers accidentally killed between the years. The bigger the circle, the higher the number of deaths. And the bigger circles are centered, the smaller circles surrounding them. So if you scroll over and click on October, you'll see that October has 71 officers killed, May has 60, and September has 53. On the right side here, you can check or uncheck these months to exclude them or include them in your visualization. And on the bottom are my links and just a brief description of the chart. So now let's go to location. So my second chart represents the number of officers killed by location, sorted in descending order, and you can exclude the states by checking the months on this side, and you can also scale the numbers down to include or exclude the states. So as you can see, Texas and California have the most amount of deaths compared to the other states. Let's go to our third chart. So my third chart represents the number of officers accidentally killed by race. This visualization is divided into different race categories and subdivided into years. The majority of officers killed are white, because you have to keep in mind that the majority of the workforce are the white. So you can also exclude the years by checking or unchecking these years. So there are very few American Indians and Asians, and the most amount of deaths is 2007. let's go to the last one. So my last chart represents the time frame of officers accidentally killed. You can uncheck and check all the times here on the right hand side, and you can scale down the number of deaths here. So you can see that from 10 p.m. right here, 67, to 2 a.m., 70, were the highest peak time that the officers accidentally killed. And then you can also see that this time right here, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., has the least number of officers killed, which is 33. So that concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.